Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob and thanks for joining us today. Here on this channel we do all things family, travel, and Disney. So if you value any of those, definitely consider hitting that like button and subscribing. You're not going to want to miss out on our plans that we have for you in store. We do giveaways, we do Disney Cruise Line vacations, Disney World vacations, travel tips, and more. You're not going to want to miss out. Today we're going to talk a little bit about that Disney Cruise Line stuff here. We're going to go into a little bit more of a specialty area when it comes to booking those special character meet and greets aboard Disney cruises. Occasionally, you're going to have these special Disney cruise events, whether it be a Star Wars Day at Sea or a Marvel's Day at Sea, come up. And aboard those special days at sea, they're going to have some special character meet and greets, or even on regular cruises where they have princess meet and greets. They're going to have some special character meet and greets. You can only attend if you have your reservations for those characters. Now, we're going to show you today on how to book those through the Disney Cruise Line app. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So as you can see on my screen here, you're going to head to where you log in and you have your countdown timer for when your next cruise is. Make sure you click on the right reservation that you want to go to. Here, I have 18 days, 9 hours till my next 7-night adventure aboard the Disney Fantasy. This is going to be a Star Wars Day at Sea cruise. So what you're going to do is you're going to head down all the way to your port adventure. You're going to head down to Onboard Fun. You're going to click on Onboard Fun. And now it's really crucial if you're going to go on a Marvel's Day at Sea cruise or a Star Wars Day at cruise, you want to know when those days are. What day of your cruise is that Star Wars Day? What day of the cruise is that Marvel Day? Because that's going to play a key. For ours, our Star Wars Day is on day 6. So we're going to click on day 6. Once it pops up, once it loads, you're going to scroll down to what you have there. And right there's a character experience with Chewbacca, R2-D2, and C-3PO. We'll select that. It's also really important for you to know right now is not only how many people you want to take with you, but what times you want. Now, as you can see, my selection is blank because I actually already have this day selected, so it's not going to let you do it twice. Okay, and same thing if I were to select the Darth Vader experience, it's not going to do it because I already did it twice. Now, it's really important to know not only how many people are going to be going with you to this experience, but it's also important to know that when you can first book this, because those prime times sell out really fast. And when I say sell out, they don't actually sell out. These are included, but they are limited tickets. They're trying to meet social distancing requirements and so on. So there is a limited amount of tickets available. Now, in my experience with Marvel Day at Sea cruises, what they have done in the past, once they sell out here, and once you get on board, you can still get them. You're just gonna have to talk to somebody and kind of get what's left. Or as people will change their itinerary around and play with their day, things will open up. But as you can see here, we're blacked out. We've already selected our tickets, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna select out everybody in your group that wants to go, check availability, and they will give you all the available times. Select the time you want to go, and then you're done. You just make sure you get that confirmation done before, that way you could go. Now, if you want to see what you did, you head back out and you hit the My Plans button at the very bottom. And then we're going to scroll down to day 6 here for our cruise. Down at the very bottom, it's our day 6. And as you can see there, my parents have selected the 10 a.m. Darth Vader experience, where we have everybody going to see Chewie, R2, and 3PO at 10:30 a.m. And then down further, we have 11:45 to visit with Darth Vader. So as far as that goes, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple making those reservations, as you can see. It's not really difficult, but really try to do your best to be on it as soon as they're available. For example, this sailing for us was on the 5th, and reservations opened up 5th of February, and they were opened up on the 6th of January, which is about 30 days prior. So make sure you get that done 30 days prior to your sailing, which also happens to be the same time you're going to want to check in to get that port arrival of your choice. Well guys, that's about it. We were able to show you how to set up these special character meet and greets. This is how you do it. It's pretty simple. Whatever it is, whether it be Star Wars, Marvel, or one of those special princess experiences where it's a ticketed event, this is how you do it. This is how you get it set up. It's really not complicated, but it's more of a, you got to know this is the time during check-in when to do it, so on. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Have you guys done this before? Have you run into any issues? I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section. Put it there. If you have any questions at all, we'll make sure we get back to you. And if you found value in any of this today, hit that like button and subscribe. Let us know what you think about this whole process in the comments below. Could Disney clean it up a bit, or you wish it was a different way? Put it in the comments, and if you have any questions, we'll make sure we get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you real soon, and remember, adventure is out there.
To your fears. Let me show you